True. Man and man back again, man. Upon another clip of the series, you see? Yeah. Namhlanje sentsho khona ingako endifuna uyithetha more than baqa. Kwaye nayo iyafila into nobana no. I would like to share something which I was reading. Yabo. Nje ndizishilele pha kum ngesinye isikhathi. Qha opening them scrolls and found it a man fine. No man, eh? You know them people who is said to be speaking. Yabo. They got a lot of things or points that which man and man must check and find. When I said the people who were speaking, I mean the prophets who were claimed or are said to be the ones who were writing the book. Regardless if it were them for real in real life or it wasn't them in real life. We are not there. Ngoku iwe sikuyo qha sikwinto nokubana kuthwani. And then ke ngoku we can't ignore the truth because of usifuna uma ngento nokubana no kalo how can ungixelela uba uJohn uthi okanye uLuka uthi uMark uthi ube wena uyazi into nokubana these people no one is like most of them there is no proof if they have existed, you know. Even if they did or they didn't, man, for man and man kwesi space, that thing is not a problem. Because I think it does not play any major role kule way ndiyireasonayo yabo. So also as much ndingafuni into nokubana le way ka ndiyi-observe in a Christian background or in a Christian way, because not everybody is Christian, but ke ngoku everyone knows ukuthi umdali uya-exista. So ndicinga into nokubana kubalulekile into nokubana ndiqale phaa kweza platform. I think izezona ground emasdibane kuzo ezo uyabo, because some other brothers who might see the clip might be Muslims, some other brothers must be from other different religious sect yabo. So what the man here was talking about, he was speaking through his own experiences yabo. So nomnye umuntu unezakhe experiences kule ndawo akuyo yabo, and wonke umuntu uyiphiwe inhlanzi yoba akwazi ukuyibona inyani noba akayiboni to the fullest. So ke ngoku since no one can see everything in a full scope, we need each other. Yasi fumane itruth here and there and there and there, udibanise and see what will come out. So with that being said, namhlanje ndifuna share uJohn yabo. Yeah. Sikhe sicikide ngoYohane namhlanje. Otherwise sicikida ngoYohane nje akukho nto ndi-based kuyo mhlawumbi ndithi hayi no ndiyapreacher, yeah, Yohane was saying, yeah, you know, no one kokulowing, but I'm about what the man was saying and reasoning without nje upreacher, because I don't like this preaching mentality. Yeah, because the preaching mentality is the one eyenza abantu abaninzi bafuna ukhoma thuba. Hey hayibo ke ngoku if urastu uyapreacher okay nabe kanti uyatshaya nezulu kodwa while the man is still preaching. No, I man andikoki preaching. Yeah, I'm not in a preaching school, but nje ndiyareasona mna nawe yabo. Yeah, about imathe serious esifananisi. So pha kuYohane ndifuna siqaleni pha kuYohane 2 yabo, uchapter 2 kaYohane, uYohane 1 chapter 2 yabo. Qha ke ngoku phaa ku-28 ke ngoku evesini yabo. Yeah, otherwise andizohlala ndawonye ndizawumane ndicaphula phaa naphaa ndihambe yabo, because siyancokola mos ungandishumayeli. Yeah. Okay, true. Kunala tayitile phaa kuYohane ethi ku-28 uYohane 2 verse 28 la verse iphumela ku chapter 3 yabo. So kuthiwa phaya ititle ihloko sale page isithi children of God yabo. Then ke ngoku yena athi children of the creator, because besitshile umosathi xa kuthiwa God asiyazi noba kuthethwa ngogod bani yano. Yeah. And also found but sometimes in other aspects they come in three forms kwezinye indawo okanye kwezinye iphilosophy nokuhlobo abantu abaqonda ngalo and start to talk with many different things. So to avoid all those things singabikho confused, we're gonna just put the creator pakulandawo kaGod yabo. So the children of the creator, in hope that abazalwane who were writing the book, they were talking about the creator, unless the story changes, you see. But if they were in this mentality or in these grounds I am reasoning in, let us trot. You see, let us trot. Otherwise, if they were not, there's nothing we can do but except just to put izinto in an correct way. Yabo, for those who must see the way and walk the path according to what they find anyway. You see. So to your adipa, and now little children abide in him. You see? So that when he appears, we may have confidence and not shrink from him in shame at his coming. Yabo. So apha kuncokolwa ke ngoku apha xa sesiboniswa apha nguYohane. Yabona uba uYohane ngomnye wabazalwane abakholelwa kuvuko nobuyo lukaKristu yabo. So apha uYohane uyawaxelela la madoda ukuthi okay, no, listen little children, meaning bantwana yabo, abide in him so that when he appears we may have confidence and not shrink and not shrink from him in shame at his coming. If you know that he is righteous, you may be sure that everyone, not a black man or yellow man or pink man or purple man or blue man, everyone, you see, who practices righteousness has been born of him. So who is the him here? So him is the Christ. You see, the spirit within the flesh of the man. You see. So now those who believe or who believe and may be sure in their belief that no man, the man, the Jesus man, regardless if he existed or whatever, but according to what the information we have from the book, nah man, the man was a righteous man, you know. Yeah, even though we can't even tell 100% what he really did say, because we are given by someone who already finished the book, you see. So the book can come in many different versions, and someone may say he said, and then on the other book you will find something else that was said but which is not here. So a lot of things they them go on, but let's try to simplify things and make them simple. You see. So apha uthiwa ngoku ndifuna sicapule laa ndawo ethi you may be sure that everyone who practices righteousness has been born of him. So today we know, regardless who are you or what is your religion or where are you coming from, yabo, if in your life you practice righteousness, to do good in all beings and be one with the Creator, follow the laws of the Creator, do what the Creator wants man to be so that we can be at our own highest level, you are of the Creator. You see? Yeah, man. Meaning the spirit that is within you is that of him who made all things. This This is what the scripture is saying. Meaning, when you practice righteousness, you allow that spirit to manifest its good and continue to build. Yeah, see what kind of love the Father has given to us, that we should be called the children of the Creator. Yeah, so apha uyababuza uyohani ba so niyabona ke ngokuba ndakwethu nokubana siyathandwa ke ngoku to a point uba this that has been said here upon this book is been said because of the expression of love that the Creator has in relation with these people. Yeah, see? So now siphinde sihambe athu Johnny and so we are, because itipaya. So see what kind of love the Father has given us, that we should be called the children of the Creator. And so we are. Yeah, see. So those who do righteous are called the children of the Creator. We are not saying those who go to church. We are not saying those who does not go to church. Or we are not saying those who church there in that church. Or those who... No, we are saying those who do righteous are born of Him, are the children of the source. Putting it in a way that is, I found that the brothers, this is what they are saying in a simplest form. So this is the thing now that we did, and we mustn't confuse. Today we know church doesn't count you as the children of the Creator. No matter how much you go to church or wherever you are, whatever, no. It is your deeds, the righteous deeds that you are doing, the desire to do good and always practice to do good. We are saying that through that you become. Yeah, see. So this is what John here is trying to express or to tell the other brethren. You see? And then ke ngoku kuzafuneka siqonde ezixesha lihamba. Okay, ke ngoku abantwana bona be-creator ingaba like abakhe bazenza mistakes. Like mistake mostly kuthiwa sisin. Usin uthetha iphutha. Yabo, meaning to do wrong. Ukwenza into ngendlela engeyiyo. So we will be asking that, okay, ingaba ke ngoku those who are the children of the Creator, bona they don't sin. So I believe, but xa sisiphinda ke ngosilinka kwenye clip sizabe sikuleyo ipoint. Yeah man, give thanks for everything that is good man. See that.